Hello. My name is Pat, and I am here to tell you about killer tips to rebuild your credit following bankruptcies.
When someone files for bankruptcy, they are not always told that they wouldn't have good credit anymore, at least, not for the upcoming 7 years.
Fortunately, there are a couple of ways you can rebuild credit following bankruptcy.
What else can I do? My heart is breaking. Everything we say just turns into silence.
If you get a smaller credit card, this can be a good avenue for rebuilding your credit.
Not to mention the frustration that comes because of relentlessly requesting them, so they close the account.
You can also hit the office of any local bank to open up your savings account.
This is what I want, to be free of your silence.
If you have done this, you are actually boosting your current credit score.
Every time I think about what we could have done or what we could have been if we were willing to wait.
After you're done with these loans against your savings account, hit any clothing store to use your small credit card with say a $300 credit limit.
Just max it out for once only to cut it up afterwards.